Hi, my name is Peter and I'm a law teacher here at Bede Sixth Form College. Here at Bede we run a number of different programmes including the A-Level in Law and the BTEC Level 3 Applied Law. Now I'm here today to talk to you about that BTEC Level 3 Applied qualification. You will cover first of all procedural areas of law. So that will include things like where do laws come from, how are laws created, and we also look at the impact of the European Union, a very topical issue at the moment. You will also cover areas of criminal law, which will include things like non-fatal offences such as ABH and GBH, assault and battery. You will also cover further areas of criminal law such as murder and manslaughter. You'll do theft, robbery, burglary, criminal damage and fraud. You will also cover an element of police powers on the BTEC programme. You will learn about what powers the police have in terms of stopping and searching a suspect in the street, what they can do in terms of arrest, and what they can do in terms of detaining a suspect and interrogating them at the police station. You will also learn civil areas of law as well and how the civil court system works and what the roles and functions of judges and barristers and solicitors are, not only in the criminal courts but also in the civil courts as well. You will also look at an area called negligence, and that is where somebody has caused injury, damage or loss to another person due to their own fault. You might have heard of this before. Have you had a slip, trip or fall? It's not your fault. That's the area of negligence that we'll be looking at. You'll also expand on that area of tort and look at something called nervous shock and how people suffer from psychological conditions as a result of being involved in an accident, and when a person can sue and claim money and claim compensation for injuries, psychological injuries that they've sustained as well as physical. Now, how you will learn is a combination of interactive lectures. So you will be taught theory and you will need to know legal theory, but you will also need to know how to apply the law to given situations. So you will learn how to analyse real life cases. You will also learn how to deal with client issues and client files. The way that you are assessed is by way of coursework. And within that coursework, you will need to advise a client based on their legal problem. Different to the A-level, with BTEC you are assessed 50% coursework and 50% external assessment, which is kind of like an exam but not quite, and I'll explain what that means. So the coursework will take up 50% of your overall qualification, and you can measure your grade as you go throughout the academic years. The external assessments work slightly different. You will receive pre-release materials regarding a client's issue. You will then be asked to go away and research that client issue. Within your timed assessment, you will then need to write a letter or write a report to that relevant client to advise them of the outcome of their case. Right? But you do take your research and everything into you. That's why it's not an exam, it's more like a timed assessment than anything else. Now, the reasons to join us here at Bede is that all of your teachers are legally qualified. We are subject specialists and we've all been to university to get our law degrees, and we were all in the same position as that you are now, thinking about what our next steps were going to be. So we can help you specifically with that transition from GCSE onto that Level 3 programme. Not only that, but here at Bede, we are slowly becoming a centre of excellence for law, and the opportunities that you have available for law at this college is unknown across the rest of the North East. Not only do we deliver A-Level and BTEC at Bede, but we also deliver professional programmes as well. We deliver and train chartered legal executives on an evening, and we also deliver legal apprenticeships as well. But you have that natural progression available to you here at Bede Sixth Form College, which is not available in any other college within the North East. What happens after? You can progress to university with a Level 3 Applied Law BTEC, and so it will provide you with the relevant UCAS points that you need to get onto your university programme. With the Level 3 BTEC as well, you can also apply to go on to higher apprenticeships, and here at Bede Sixth Form College we offer higher apprenticeships in law as well, so that might be something that might interest you in relation to that. The entry requirements for the BTEC is you need to get at least a level 4 or a grade 4 in your English, whether that's English language or English literature, and you also need 5 other GCSEs at 4 or above. And that is it from me. If anybody has any questions, then please feel free to contact the college directly using the email address bede.inquiries@stockton.ac.uk, and if you just ask for Peter, and they'll send any inquiries over to me. See you soon.